Alright, let's try this one. It's pretty simple. I made a bar going this way in the pattern here. But the design I'm doing is very linear. So instead of following the path of the bar here, I'm going to go kind of across. That way it's not like parallel to the direction I'm going. And it might throw it off a little bit. But I do kind of like dits and dashes. So you got one long one, one short one, and another long one. And then treat it like bricks. So you do the long one every other one. Kind of like this. And then you got a dit on dits and dashes. And you can go like that. And a long one here. And a short one. Another short one. A little short one there. And a long one there. And then I can just go all the way across. Kind of like that. I kind of like this pattern. It's pretty simple, but it's not, boring or anything. It's actually a pretty decent little pattern. And then you just go all the way across. Neighbors across the street. Dogs in the background. You may not hear any of that, but just me. You just keep going. I'm debating whether or not to leave it like this or to color in either the dots and dashes or the background. I haven't decided yet what I want to do. I could color in either one. And it's busy out here today. Which I guess is my fault for doing these outside, but I like the lighting better out here. And I don't think you mind. Actually, I don't really think you hear much of the background noise because the microphone's on the front of this camera, so you're hearing me more than you're hearing the background noise, I'm hoping. But there we go. Ta-da! I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you next time.